Hey everybody, I have here an N-scale mystery box from Otter Valley Railroad here in Ontario, Canada. I've had it for a couple days now. I think it's time to do an unboxing. When you go to order a mystery box, they just ask for if you prefer a specific railroad and what era you model. For this one, I said modern era, and for railroad, I basically run everything here on the Pine Valley Railway. So I said any railroad is fine, but obviously Canadians preferred. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have a little note here. Mike, thank you for ordering and enjoy the mystery. First thing is a Otter Valley notepad. Super handy. Oh, some ribbons. Have a Otter Valley screwdriver. Oh, nice. We have some Atlas 40-foot containers. Pretty awesome. They'll look great in my intermodal. It's pretty fun. This is the first mystery box I've ever ordered, so I was really looking forward to this. Oh wow, that's really cool. So it's a Woodland Scenics Transformer Connect set. That's really cool. Obviously, I'm always working on the scenery, on the layouts, both the show layout and the home layout, so that'll look great. Oh, nice. These are pre-wired poles to go with that. That's pretty cool. Super detailed. An Otter Valley pen. And everything's individually wrapped, so I can't see what's actually in this box. Oh, right on. chain link fence. That's pretty cool. I've actually have several industries right now needing chain link fence. I'm actually working on a fairly large junkyard scene that definitely needs chain link fencing around it. That'll be in a later video. Oh, nice. Awesome. Greenbrier's 50-foot boxcar from Aurora Miniatures. That is pretty nice. I've seen these cars on the layout here. They are super nice. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Nice products coming out of Aurora. Definitely check them out. Oh, nice. This is Intermountain CN coal gondola. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. It's hard to see. Wow. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Awesome. Lots of stuff in here. Lots of stuff. Nice. CN Atlas 50-foot box. These are nice cars. I have several of these. Very good runners. Can never have too many boxcars. There's about 400 on this layout. Oh, Otter Valley sticker. torpedo. Pro Core covered hopper. Ooh, nice. Wow. Super nice. Let's have a look at this. Awesome. Very nice. Cool. Cool stuff. So, lots of awesome stuff. I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not. Awesome stuff in the N scale mystery boxes. From Otter Valley. All this stuff will look awesome on the layouts. And thanks Lauren and all the crew at Otter Valley. You guys do an awesome job. And for anybody who's interested in picking up a mystery box both in N scale or HO scale, check out their website. Link in the description. And yeah, have a great night everybody.